Before we begin, a quick favor. If you've been enjoying the podcast, would you consider leaving a review? It really helps others find this space and join us on their own healing journey. If you haven't already, you can get your Self-Led Pause Starter Kit along with 25 free IFS Meditations at exploreifs.com. Welcome back to IFS Meditations and Insights. I'm Tim Fortescue, your guide on this journey toward wholeness through the lens of internal family systems. Together, we're creating a sacred space to explore, accept, and love all parts of ourselves. As we do this work, we open ourselves to experiencing divine love and living more authentically. Let's begin. The intention of this meditation is to check in with the parts that may not trust us yet. And as we begin, find a position that feels supportive. Somewhere you can settle for the next few minutes. You can close your eyes if that feels right, or let your gaze soften toward the floor. Take a slow breath in and let it out gently. One more, just like that, in and out. You don't have to make anything happen here. You don't have to get somewhere. This is just a small window of time to turn toward yourself with a little more care than usual. Begin to notice the weight of your body, where you make contact with what's beneath you. The places that feel heavy. The places that feel light. You don't need to change any of it. Just notice. And as you settle, see if you can let one quiet awareness move through you. I'm here. And then ask, who's here? Not who should be here. Not who you wish were here. Just who's actually here right now. Maybe you notice a feeling in your body, a tightness somewhere, a heaviness, a buzz of activity. Or maybe a kind of stillness. Maybe you notice a thought looping, or a tone, an atmosphere that's been with you lately. Whatever's here, see if you can simply say to it, I notice you. Let it know you're not trying to fix it. You're not trying to move it along. You're just letting it know you're here. Now, gently, I want to invite you to consider something. Somewhere inside you, there may be a part that doesn't quite trust this, doesn't quite trust you yet. Maybe it's skeptical. Maybe it's tired. Maybe it's been disappointed before. Maybe it's watching this whole moment with a little distance, wondering what you're really up to. If something like that is here, see if you can simply acknowledge it. You might say inside, I can sense you here. You don't have to come closer. You don't have to trust me right now. I get that you don't. Just let that part know you see it, and that you're not going to push. If a part of you is cautious, there's probably a good reason. If you've learned somewhere along the way that turning inward wasn't safe, that feelings weren't always welcome, that slowing down sometimes led you to something painful, this part isn't getting in your way. It's protecting you. So if it feels right, see if you can offer something like, I can see you've been working hard. I understand why you're so caring. Thank you for staying with me. You don't have to say it perfectly. You may not even fully understand it. You just have to understand a little. In a caring way. Notice how the part receives that or doesn't. Either is okay. And if you notice any part of you trying to make something happen here, trying to get calm, trying to get clarity, trying to do this meditation right, see if you can gently acknowledge that part. See if it could soften and give a little space. Let you be with this part that is learning to trust a little more. And that part that wants to help matters too. But could it trust you for now? Then turn back to the part that's learning to trust or leaning into trusting. Let it know nothing has to happen in the next few minutes. You're not here to fix anything. You're not here to heal on a timeline. You're just here. And let it know, I'm not trying to change you right now. I'm just trying to be with you. And take a slow breath. And let that be enough. If a part is willing to stay near you in this moment, just stay with it. You don't have to talk. You don't have to do anything. Just be in the same room together inside. Like sitting next to someone you care about without needing to fill the silence. That's the whole practice right now. Just staying without rushing, without contempt, without abandoning yourself. A drop of self is enough. Even a few seconds of this kind of presence matters. Your parts notice, even the cautious ones, even the ones who aren't sure about you yet. Before we finish, let your parts know that you can spend more time with them at another time if they'd like that. You might say inside, I'll come back. This isn't the only chance we have. We can do this slowly. And thank them, particularly this one that is leaning into trust a little more, for its courage. Thank all the parts that may have wanted to help and witness this for their courage. Take one more slow breath in and out. Begin to come back to where you are. Feel the weight of your body again. The sounds in the room. The space around you. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes if they were closed. And take this practice with you. Pause. I'm here. Who's here? Notice and name. Meet. Then respond. I can be with who's here. You don't have to earn your part's trust by becoming perfect. You're in it by becoming present, one small, honest moment at a time. Thanks for joining me for this meditation. Your beloved, parts and all.